Alright, so we're back at it again here today. Um, this time we're installing the foam for underneath the slab. We got everything all compacted there on the last video. And so yeah, this foam here, it's not exactly what I was planning on buying originally, but it just happened to be what was available at the time. When I originally priced out all my materials for this build, it was a long time ago. It was before COVID happened, and it seems for whatever reason that during COVID there was a surge or an increase in material costs. So this foam ended up costing me a little over double what I had originally budgeted for, which it's kind of happened like that on all counts. Everything's been about double now, but it just is what it is. So I found that this faced foam was actually really nice to work with. Having the plastic on the front and back made it really easy to mark it, and draw lines, and get nice clean cuts. Since we're doing hydronic in-floor heating in this building, I decided I would put 6 inches of foam to give me an R30 underneath the slab, so that I'm not just leaking all my heat energy out the bottom of the building. I was adjusting the rebars here all to the same height so that when we push the foam for the edges on, that they would all be consistent for where the holes would pop through. At this point during the build, it was getting quite cold in the mornings anyways, and we got a lot of wind funneled through the building, so I will say that this probably was one of my favorite jobs to do on this build, mainly because crawling around on the foam was easy on the knees and hands, and the material was lightweight, so I didn't have to sweat it for lifting everything. Tried with each layer here to alternate and stagger the joints so that we wouldn't have any overlapping seams. opted to put the poly over top of the foam instead of under the foam, just to reduce the chances that rocks or whatever may puncture the vapor barrier there and create some holes underneath. This building here, instead of rebar in the middle, we used wire mesh as per the drawings, which honestly was a lot easier to work with. I actually really enjoyed it. Super easy, and it helped a lot with the PEX tubing for the hydronic